day in my life.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Risma Wulandari from class 11 and 4. Here I will convey my 7 daily habits. Don't forget to wait until the end. First, wake up early. Every day I wake up 18 minutes past 4. Don't forget to clean the bed. No, I went to take ablution for morning prayers. The second is obedient to worship. After that, help parents with mopping and with dishes. The third is diligent in exercise. 4. Eat healthy and have balanced nutrition. The 5 is community. 6. We must love learning. And the last thing is to sleep quickly. I go to the bed at 9:30. That's all my vlog video. I hope it's useful. Thank you.